Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
There's a lot of ways to visualize data, but have you thought about visualizing it in 3D, especially if you've got time-sensitive data? BDocs may be it for you. And we're talking to one of the developers, if not the main developer of BDocs. Can you explain exactly what it is and why someone would want to use it?
Yeah, our software allows people to create timeline charts. So basically you enter in events, which consist of a label and a date, and the software automatically creates a chart based on that. And then the cool thing about our software is once you've created a timeline chart, you can fly over it with a 3D perspective. In our software, you can use the Apple remote or the keyboard to fly over it, but you can also export it to Keynote or any of the QuickTime formats if you want to use timelines with another project, like an iMovie project.
Now, would people then use this in exchange of using traditional presentation software?
Yeah, for sure. It really is built to be a focused application on timelines, but it's also built to be part of the whole Mac ecosystem. So it works fantastic with Keynote. It also can create timelines based on photos in your iPhone, iPhoto library, say based on the date they were taken. It can automatically chart out RSS feeds. It can automatically chart out iCal calendars and a bunch of other things. So it's really made to be a part of the whole kind of Mac experience.
Now, what was the inspiration to making BDocs?
The original inspiration was lawyers who needed a tool to make trial exhibits. They wanted to compare two different stories, two different versions of the same events and to put them next to each other. But education is the biggest market now, especially higher education.
Well, it's certainly unique, like in terms of laying out data. Now, you're running a show special right now, too.
Yes, the price is normally $65. We're selling it for $30 this week through Sunday.
Fair enough. And the website?
BDocs.com. BDocs.com.
Okay, so now I have to ask. You have to pardon my voice. Why B?
We liked it for a lot of reasons. The domain name was available. We liked that it was a real word, kind of like Apple. And in this nature component, like even the 3D aspect comes from this idea of how do bees find the pollen? You know, they're flying over and they've got the ultraviolet vision or something. I don't actually know, but I imagine it's something like that. And then I thought, well, how do you find that relevant event, out of hundreds of events? And we kind of used that as inspiration to design the 3D software.
Are you having a good Macworld?
It's a great Macworld. This is the first Macworld I've been at, but it's been fantastic. It's been great to meet a lot of the people that use the software and sell some new licenses as well.
Oh, for sure. Well, thanks again, and keep up the good work.
Thank you.